the dear student, we have completed the first session of our lesson logic gates. Now the second, we are going to start the combinational circuit. So now in case of the combinational circuit, we can see the multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder. So these all are known as the combinational circuits because these all circuits can be constructed by combining the different logic gates. Hence it is called as a combinational logic circuits. So in case of the combinational circuit, we have multiplexer, second it is demultiplexer, number 3 it is encoder. So these three different circuits, it is made up of by combining the different logic circuits. So it is known as the combinational logic circuits. And these combinational circuits are now available in the form of integrated circuits by reducing its size and the cost. So these all circuits, it can be reduced, means the size of this circuits it can be reduced and it can be used as a integrated circuits, that is called as a IC. Okay, so in IC we have multiplexer, demultiplexer and the encoder. So from this, first of all we are going to see the multiplexer. So the first combinational circuit is multiplexer. So this multiplexer we can use in many combinational circuit, which is used to connect many source to one common line to make the simple, economic and using a single line instead of the separate lines. Means here we are going to use the, so in case of the multiplexer, in this multiplexing, it is one kind of process of connecting many inputs to one output. You can see, we will write down the what is the meaning of multiplexing. Multiplexing is a process of connecting many input to one output. To one output. It is a many to one process. It is a many to one process. If you want, you can note down from the board also as a note. So this is the multiplexing. Multiplexing is a process of connecting many input to one output. So with, again we have with appropriate logic control. Logic control. Okay, so you can note down this definition. And second, this is the first one. Note down the second one, multiplexer. Multiplexer is also known as data selector. Multiplexer is also known as data selector. Because this circuit accepts more than one input and connects only one of them at the same time to get the output. So this multiplexer, it always known as the data selector because it takes more input. खूप जास्त एकापेक्षा जास्त इनपुट तो घेतो आणि आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस आउटपुट द्यायचं असतं त्यावेळेस तो ॲट ए टाईम फक्त एकच आउटपुट सिलेक्ट करतो अँड वी आर गेटिंग द आउटपुट. सो वी कॅन से दॅट इट हॅविंग n input data lines and n control lines. For example, it having n input lines and m control lines and control lines. And it having only one output line. This is third, this is first, and this is second. And it having only one output line, that is your Y. Okay, so we will see the diagram for multiplexer. Here we have 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, so here we are going to draw the diagram for 4:1 multiplexer. Now we'll see how we are going to draw the 4:1 multiplexer. So here this circuit having the 4 control lines. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It having 4 AND gates. So draw that one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So hence when we want one output from this different AND gate, so you just connect these all AND gates via one OR gate to get the output, and it is nothing but your Y. Okay, so here when we have the 4 different conditions, that is 0, 0, you know that 4 condition, that conditions are nothing but the S1, S0 and this is your Y. So 0, 0, when we have 0, 0, then we will get D0 line will be activated. When 0, 1 is there, then your D1 line will be activated. When you have 1, 0, then D2 line will be activated. And when you have 1, 1, then your D3 line will be activated. Okay, so these lines are nothing but the this is S1 and this is the S0. These are the control lines and these are get connected with NOT gate. Okay, so this is S0. Now there will be a common lines. It's little bit up. There is a common line which is known as D0. For each and every gate, draw one common line. This is D1. Then this is D3 and this is D4. So now see in the table, when S1 and S0, it is both are 0, 0. Then we will get the output D0. Means Y is equal to D0. You can check in the truth table also. If S1 is equal to 0, S0 is also 0, then you are getting the output D0, means which is getting from this line. या line through आपल्याला ते output मिळणार आहे. म्हणून आपण काय करणार? आता इथे this is considered as a 1 S1 जी लाईन आहे तिला आपण कन्सिडर करणार आहोत 1. Then the output will come 0 here. S1, this is S1 bar, S0 and this is S0 bar. If it is 1 then it is 0. आता 0 0 आउटपुट आपल्याला कनेक्ट करायचं असेल तर ज्या ठिकाणी 0 तुम्हाला मिळतोय, सो यू जस्ट कनेक्ट that line to the gate. See, this 0 and this 0. Okay, now we have 0 and 1. So again come to the next line. Here we have 0 line connect करायची and here we have 1. So connect that lines to 1. Now you have 1 0. So where is 1 here? This line. Input 1 and where is 0? So it is here. So connect this one. Okay, and the last one, it both are 1. So first of all connect this one and then 1, it is here. So connect this one here. So this is the diagram for 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, so this having 4 input lines. You can see on the board 4 input lines, S1, then this is S1 bar, S0 and this is S0 bar. S1, S1 bar, S0 and S0 bar. These are the 4 input lines, or we can say D0, D1, D2, D1, D2 and here D3. These are the 4 input lines. 2 control lines, S1 and S0. These are the control lines. By mistake I told you that. But here we have D0, D1, D2, D3. These are the input lines, S1 and S0. These are the 2 control lines which is called as a select lines. And there is a 1 output. Why? It is very much similar as a single pole 4-way switch. The pole can be connected to any of this 4 input. या चारही इनपुट पैकी एका इनपुटला आपण कनेक्ट करू शकतो. And we are getting the one with control signal and of selecting the position of the switch. जर आपल्याला आपण कुठलाही स्विच कनेक्ट करायचं असेल किंवा एखादा पोल सर्किट आपल्याला ऑन करायचं असेल, एखादा स्विच जर आपल्याला जर त्या सर्किटला कनेक्ट करायचं असेल तर याच्यापैकी कुठलाही स्विच जर आपण क्लिक केलं तर आपण त्या सर्किटला कनेक्ट करू शकतो. सो इट हॅविंग द सिमिलर अरेंजमेंट, वी कॅन मेक दिस अरेंजमेंट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट and it is a combination of logic gates to design the 4 input and not operated manually. हे कुठलंही सर्किट मॅन्युअली ऑपरेट करता येत नाही. ओके, सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू सी द वर्किंग. सी वेन द कंट्रोल वर्ड 0 0 म्हणजे जर आपले S1 आणि S0 याचं इनपुट जर 0 0 असेल तर फर्स्ट अँड गेट सिलेक्ट होतं. वी आर सिलेक्टिंग द फर्स्ट अँड गेट विथ द लाईन D0, this with the line D0 and the first AND gate connected. The input of this input is D11. How? Because we have the 2 control lines and here we have connected the NOT gate. So whenever you are sending the input 0 0, that may be converted into the, means it may get inverse. 1 0 input is there, it may get इन्व्हर्स इंटू 1. ते कशामध्ये इन्व्हर्ट होतं, कारण आपण इथे इन्व्हर्टर लावलेला आहे आणि इन्व्हर्टर असल्यामुळे जर तुम्ही 0 इनपुट देताय तर ते 0 हे 1मध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार. म्हणून आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही हे इनपुट देणार त्याला त्यावेळेस D0 काय असणार आहे, D0 इट इज 1 1 आणि D0 इट इज द फर्स्ट इनपुट इन्व्हर्टेड बाय S1. S1 कडनं ते इन्व्हर्ट होतं आणि ज्यावेळेस ते S0 कडे पण 0 इनपुट असेल तर ते S0 कडनं इन्व्हर्ट केलं जातं, म्हणजे 0चं ते 1 होणार आहे. ओके, इफ यू ट्रेस द अदर अँड गेट कंट्रोल लाईन्स टू दिस अँड विल मेक दिस डिसेबल. बाकीचे सगळे जे गेट आहेत ते काय होतात, डिसेबल होतात. जर आपण फर्स्ट गेट सिलेक्ट केलेलं असेल तर बाकीचे सगळे गेट हे काय होणार आहेत डिसेबल होणार आहेत. ओके, सो द फायनल ऑर गेट इट विल कनेक्ट द आउटपुट. दिस विल it is connected to the output of the first AND gate and it can be stated as S1 S0 is equal to 0 0 then Y is equal to D0. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला इनपुट 0 0 दिलेलं असेल तर तुमचा गेट हे पहिल्या AND गेटला कनेक्ट होणार आणि मग त्या AND गेटमधनं जे काही इनपुट आपण देणार त्याच्यातलं ते AND गेटचं जे इनपुट आहे ते कोणाला पास केलं जाईल. इट विल बी पास टू द OR gate which is connected to the circuit and then we will get the Y and that Y is nothing but your D0. ते काय असणार आहे D0. तसंच ज्यावेळेस आपण S1ला 0 पास करणार, S0ला 1 पास करणार त्यावेळेस तुमची ते इनपुट D1 ह्या कंट्रोल लाईनकडनं पास केलं जाईल. ओके, आणि त्या D1 कंट्रोल लाईनकडनं पास केल्यानंतर सो द अनेदर युअर सेकंड AND गेट विल बी अनेबल अँड इट विल कनेक्ट टू द D1. ते कोणाला कनेक्ट होणार आहे D1ला. आणि लॉजिकली आपण त्याला काय म्हणणार S1 S0 इफ इट इज 0 1 देन यू विल गेट द D2. सिमिलरली वेन S1 इज 1 S0 इज 0 देन Y is equal to D2 and when it is 1 1 then we will get the D3. Okay, so this is the circuit and working of the multiplexer. Again here we are going to see the demultiplexer. We have the demultiplexer also. So demultiplexing is an opposite process to a multiplexing process. It performs one to many operation. In case of the multiplexer we have seen that it performs many to one function, but in demultiplexing process it is the opposite process which always perform one to many operation. Means you are able to give one input and you will get the many output. So it has only one input line, that is D, and it having number of n outputs, that is Y0 Y1 Y2 Y3 up to Yn. Demultiplexer accept only one input and it can distribute that is to the several output by using the control word. Okay, so it is connected to the input line. Demultiplexer can also be used as a decoder. Multiplexer आपण कशासाठी वापरू शकतो, it is used as a decoder. For example, if you want to convert binary number into decimal, then we are going to use the demultiplexer. Okay, so there is a difference between multiplexer and demultiplexer. So first of all we'll see the multiplexer. Multiplexer is known as the MUX, MUX, and demultiplexer is known as the DMUX. So multiplexing means what? It is many to one. And what is DMUX? It is one to many. One to many. So we have the logic symbol of multiplexer. This is the logic symbol. It have two control lines, S0 and S1. This is D0, D1, D2, and this is D3. Okay, and it has been having the same DMUX. याला काय असणार आहे? It having many output. These are Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4 and only one input using two control lines S0 and S1. So it cannot be used as a decoder. हे decoder म्हणून आपण use करत नाही, but it is used as a decoder. Then it requires OR gate in the output and it having the many output OR gate. Okay, so this is the multiplexer and demultiplexer, and we have the difference also.